In this video, we will show you how to download the Aviator Predictor app on your phone. Go to your Play Store and type Aviator Predictor free in the search bar. Press enter and you will find many search results. You can download it from a web browser. Go to your web browser like Google Chrome and search Aviator Predictor. Scroll down to review all the results. Tap on the first link to open the website. To start downloading, tap on the download button. In a few seconds, it will start checking your country. Then tap on Start after finishing. Scroll down and select the Next button at the end. Again, scroll down the screen and tap Next. On the next page, tap the Next Again button at the end. Tap Next to all the instructions and features one by one. Then you can use your Google account to sign in. Select the Google account and then you can start using the Aviator Predictor app. So that is how to download the Aviator Predictor app on your phone.